Hello and welcome for part 3, which is how to debug um, Next right now from your local computer. So this only works with WebStorm. You have access to a configuration, Node.js configuration here, which basically does some kind of stuff that is too complicated for me to explain, but which works. And I'm going to stop my normal server and start in debug mode here. Here you have the whole thing started. Basically, it starts both Node in debug mode with now and yarn start at the same time in parallel. But why it works, well, I have no idea. So now I have access to this, and I'm running on the debug version. And as you can notice, it is much slower. Let's try to do something like put a breakpoint here, so we are in the index page. Okay, this is it. It's much slower, as I said. Let's try to hit this and see how it works. There. So the page is waiting, and we are here. And we can just start debugging stuff. It's as simple as that, really. It should be something that debugging is something that should be built in everything, but it is quite recurrent a question in Next.js because it is complicated to set up this kind of things, and I have only succeeded with WebStorm. I believe it is possible with VS Code, but I am not familiar with it, and I won't do anything for VS Code. But if you know how to provide this, well, please feel free to contribute. There's nothing much to explain, I believe. Everybody knows how debugging step by step works. One thing to be aware of is that when you are debugging an application, you can only debug the server side using breakpoints, like in the browser. So code that is only executed on the browser side will not create a breakpoint. Well, that's the only thing you need to be wary of. Sometimes it happens that I thought, well, my breakpoint got ignored, and I didn't know why, and it was because the code was only running in the browser. So setting a breakpoint here obviously didn't work. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you.